Assalamualaikum. My name is Aisha Akhtar. Now I am going to present a paper presentation whose name is Soft Computing Techniques for Dependable Cyber Physical System. Abstract. Cyber physical system, that means CPS, were envisioned as a mechanism to manipulate physical objects using computer intelligence. In this paper, presenting a comprehensive contemporary review of soft computing techniques for CPS dependability, modeling, analysis, and improvement. In addition, this paper provides a comprehensive survey of the use of various soft computing techniques for making the CPS dependable. Section 1, Introduction. CPS began to emerge as an engineering discipline in 2006, although its intellectual roots date back considerable further. The terms cyberspace, cyber-physical systems share a common root. The term cybernetics. Some prominent CPS application greenhouse gas emission, traffic congestion, and to minimize pollution, integrate healthcare system, smart grids, intelligent surveillance, as well as the monitoring system. Next slide. The socioeconomic benefits of CPS technology have been long recognized. A comparison of hard and soft computing is presented in table 1. In this table there have attribute hard computing versus soft computing. There have attribute accuracy versus robustness, logic, input data, computation mode, precision of result. Last one is deterministic. So here is the comparison. And the next section, 2, background. Soft computing for dependable CPS. There have three sections, subsections. Number A, dependable CPS based application dominant. CPS integrate physical process with the computation and network. Figure 1 shows in this before we see that. Topically, CPS with the integration of control, communication, and computation. They are sometimes referred to as a network control system, that means NCS, distributed control system, and the last sensor, actuator networks. So in this subsection, there have some few sections that is included in this dependable CPS based application domain. There have number 1, electrical power grid, that means smart grids, water networks, industrial automation, intelligent transportation system, ITS, and the last one is healthcare. Subsection B, dependability background. Most of the application discussed in the previous sections further emphasize the need to make CPS operation resilient and dependable, because the application and services provided by a CPS must be guaranteed and dependable in different contexts, like local as well as the global. In these sections, they they discuss the notion of dependable in a more general context, and thereafter focus more especially on the dependable issues for CPS. There have some few attributes. There is availability, reliability, safety, confidentiality, integrity, maintainability. Ability have readiness for correct service. Next, reliability, continuity of correct service, safety, absence of catastrophic consequence on the environment or users. Next one is confidentiality, absence of unauthorized disclosure of information, and the integrity, absence of improper system status alteration, and the last one is maintainability, ability to undergo repairs and the modifications. Rest of the part from section B, the last one is subsection C, soft computing for dependable CPS. Soft computing is a collection of computing methodology that included fuzzy logic, artificial neural networks, evolutionary computation as their principal members. The taxonomy of primary soft computing techniques is shown in figure 4. These methodologies are complementary and the symbolic for the most part as a evident from the use of a combination of this methodology in the intelligent system. There have some systems that consist of this part. Number 1, fuzzy set theory and the fuzzy logic. Fuzzy set theory has been incorporated into reliability theory by altering the conventional assumption about the reliability of a component or systems, like binary state, and the probability measures of its reliability. Number 2, evolutionary computation and meta heuristics. EC is a mechanism for systemic random search aimed at finding an optimal solution to a given problem. Genetic algorithm and other methods of genetic computing are special cases of EC. GA generate a population in terms of candidate solution to a per problem by evaluating them on a fitness function from which good solutions are then selected. Number 3, artificial neural networks. Based on their biological counterparts, artificial neural networks are massively parallel distributed systems for information processing. ANNs are comprised of a large number of simple interconnected units that work in a parallel manner to perform a global task. The unit of an ANN can learn and update the parameters as a response to an evolved input. Number 4, the probabilistic reasoning. In these sections also referred to as a probabilistic inference and probabilistic logic in literature deals with the uncertainty and belief propagation. PR is a formal mechanism based on probability theory and its subsidiary techniques with the aim of making decisions under uncertainty. It allows us to analyze statistic system and helps in BN cluster analysis. 5. Rough set theory. Introduced in 1982, rough set theory is a relatively new method for data analysis and inference in the presence of vagueness and uncertainty. There are a form of unsupervised learning that can learn structure in data. RS theory is a method for analyzing uncertain system and is gaining interest as a technique for knowledge discovery, data mining, classification, and image processing. It provides a systematic framework for dealing with vagueness caused by indiscriminability when complete information about a system is not available. In this slide, including section 3, application and soft computing techniques for developing dependable CPS. In this section, a summary of applications of soft computing techniques for CPS dependability is provided. This work is broadly focused on CPS, and for completeness, we have included works on all components of CPS, including works that have addressed and dependable of software system, complex system, computer network, or any other CPS component. There have some components or systems that included in subsections, which is number A, fuzzy set theory and the fuzzy logic. Fuzzy logic inference is relatively important and has found extensive use in a contemporary control system and even in consumer appliances since 1980s. FL has been used in the analysis of structure reliability, fault detection, probist system, like the characteristic binary state and probability and failure, software reliability, safety, security, and risk engineering. Number B, evolutionary computation and the meta heuristics. It has the rapid growth in the terms of applications of CPS reliability techniques and used to find optimal solution to diverse problems. However, optimality is not guaranteed because the abilities to dig up good solutions mostly depends upon proper customize of the fitness functions, etc. And then it works the artificial intelligence, then probabilistic reasoning, and the last one is the rough set theory, which is description before. Now the explanation has been exploited to analyze the dependability various system. It has been used for reliability analysis of electrical power system and mechanical systems. More recently, RST has found applications in dependability analysis of software systems. Next, section 4, open issues and future works. So this section is followed by maintainability and confidentiality. It was also noted that soft computing techniques has been used mostly for the optimization of performance or reliability of systems. Soft computing has been used in adding reliability and dependability analysis of systems as well. Soft computing cannot be substituted for other rigorous method of the reliability analysis. So there have some parts which number A, lack of a unified modeling or analysis framework. CPS design is difficult in terms of physical system and hardware, as well as in terms of the implementation and the appropriate level of computational behavior in a programming language. Number B, design methodologies. CPS are being used in variety of applications on a large scale. Many systems, including smart homes and power grid, are being used in ways that were never intended. The development of a dependable communication middleware is also a critical aspect of time-sensitive CPS. Number C, security. Reliability and security are the very crucial in mission critical like healthcare, smart power grid, and network system. Future CPS must operate with the enhanced security and reliability. Number D, network included constraints. Current control, communication, and software theory are insufficiently mature to address challenges generated by CPS heterogeneity. Control loops is CPS can be separated by geographical scale distance. Another area that has to be investigated is the impact of the communication network on closed loop system performance, stability, and ultimately reliability. Number E, soft computing in the control loop. It techniques like fuzzy logic and the artificial neural networks have been used in control of the such adaptive systems, while GS has have been used to design the fault tolerant system. Number F, distributed collaborative control. The merger of reliability analysis and soft computing with modern research on distributed control system would aid in designing more dependable CPS. Number G, probabilistic computing and CPS. The new paradigm of probabilistic computing offers a host of tools that will eventually more dependable CPS. Probabilistic computing and CPS. The new paradigm of probabilistic computing offer a host of tools that will eventually facilitate reliability analysis. Number 8 is standardization requirements. This standardization effort must inevitably address the stringent quality of service, that means QoC, and dependable requirements for CPS. And finally, conclusion. Summarize applicable domain and scenario where one or more soft computing has been used in reliability analysis or optimization. This research finds a significant absence of literature on comprehensive reliability analysis or CPS optimization, which is important for this research area. Now, thank you so much.